This message is being transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control. A new disease caused by a virus named JP10 was discovered in Hungary. Fortunately, because of the authorities' quick response, all flights from Hungary were cancelled and the spread of this virus was stopped.
However, to ensure your safety, it is advised that you wear a face mask covering your mouth and nose in public places at all times. Common symptoms of this disease include coughing, severe headache, soreness of muscles, high fever, and a feeling of dizziness or sleepiness. If you experience one or more of these symptoms, call 911 immediately. Stand by for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control. The previously mentioned virus named JP10 has been confirmed to spread to the United States. An emergency lockdown has been issued in the following states: California, Nevada, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Florida, and Maine.
Residents of those states are advised to wear a surgical mask at all times, limit their time outside, and practice social distancing. If you experience one or more of the following symptoms: coughing, severe headache, soreness of muscles, high fever, and a feeling of dizziness or sleepiness, call 911 immediately. Stand by for further updates. This is an emergency message. It has been revealed that patients infected with the JP10 virus stop breathing and their brain starts rapidly decomposing upon falling asleep, which in most cases results in instant death. The World Health Organization published a statement saying that the countermeasures against this virus are currently unknown, as surgical masks, disinfectants, and social distancing don't work.
As for now, all residents of the United States are advised to stay home at all times to avoid getting infected with this virus. HAZMA teams will administer food to your home address. If you believe that you are infected with the JP10 virus, stay awake at all costs and do not under any circumstances fall asleep. I repeat, do not fall asleep. HAZMA teams will give you anti-sleep drugs if you tell them that you may be infected. This is currently the only solution. However, scientists from all over the world are currently working on a cure. Stand by for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control. Scientists have successfully developed a cure to the JP10 virus and it is being administered all over the world. However, it is advised that you don't go outside yet, as there is still a high risk of getting infected.
A HAZMA team will visit your home address and give you the cure. Do not go outside until an all clear is given. Stand by for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. As of now, the cure has been administered to all residents of the United States. Although the virus caused the death of nearly 647 million people worldwide,
we have survived and we will rebuild our society and live on. All residents of the United States may now go outside and continue their everyday lives. This is an all-clear message. Resuming normal programming at the tone.